Howdy. Today we're going to do an unboxing of ties. Don't mind all the randomness on my coffee table here, because this is just kind of where I do a lot of my work on account of I don't drink coffee. So the first thing I notice about these ties is that they're packaged in this nice bag that is sealed for freshness, even though it has a little hole here for the ties to breathe. So I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's kind of weird that it has a hole, but then also has the freshness seal. But whatever. It's not my place to judge the way of the Chinese. So let's see what we got in here. Uh-oh. Did I just seal it again? Was it already open? Oh, I like that. Hold on a second. Let me sniff these. They don't necessarily smell fresh. That's pretty sweet. I like this crinkly plastic. It feels like it's something I won at the arcade. It's nice material, I think. I don't know. I haven't taken one of these out just yet. Kind of nice. Oh, I like this one. Very nice. It'll look great with my white shirt and my fake ruby cufflinks. That's kind of cool. Oh no. This looks like the other one, except it's got a little bit of green in it. Does it? Or is that just the light? Do you see that? I see like a hint of green whenever I move it, like it kind of shimmers. Alright, let's, it's not bad. Is it, I don't know, is it just me, or do these seem like they're a little bit off? Like, it's not a skinny tie, but it's also not a standard tie. I think maybe they did some, you know, they had to go through some budget cuts and didn't give me as much fabric as they should have. Anyway, this has been my unboxing of, Weishang, I think it's pronounced. I really don't know. I don't speak Chinese. And I don't pronounce many things in Chinese. I don't even eat Chinese food. But this has been my unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope that this has been informative. These cost me... I forget how much they cost me. It was less than $20 or around $20. And I got them from Amazon.